Guys, welcome back to Resep channel. Today I'm going to cook salted fish or Tumis Ikan Cah Jamur. This is a very late post. Before we jump into cooking process, please subscribe and ring the bell button. Trust me guys, you're gonna love our channel.
Light it up and we smoke, keep me high up off the ground, in a haze, in the crowd.
The ingredients are red onion, a fine cut, green onion, a fine cut, Shitake mushroom, also fine cut. The fish fillet. In this video, we're gonna use a iridescent shark. It is not a real shark, guys. In Indonesia, we call it ikan patir. Iridescent shark is catfish family or lele, but maybe the body look like a shark, so they call it iridescent shark. You can use anything cut diagonally. For reduce the smell of the fish, I use vinegar or cuka. Pour some salt, mix it well. Set it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I fried it a while. Set aside. Then put red onions, stir it well, and put the shiitake mushroom. Put the fish, then it will be excess the water. Trust me guys, I think it's gonna be so yummy. I'll just add some salt and soy sauce. Now guys, for the final touch, I will put some green onion. There we go. And mix it well. So this is it guys, the result. You can use this as in the top of the rice or with rice as a main course. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think about the recipe. Have a nice day, stay safe, stay home, don't go anywhere, and goodbye.